this kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 52 of Building Marvel's Infinity Gauntlet. We're continuing with the middle finger on this one. After, of course, flicking through the magazine, I'll let you read through any words you desire. Obviously, you can pause and read all of the small print. If you're doing that and having trouble with it, do let me know and I'll see if I can flatten out the pages a little bit more or, see if I can get a better angle for that. But I think the best angle I've got for the lack of reflections and everything anyway. So yes, we're doing the next joint basically for the middle finger. Getting there, a few more issues to go until we've got that completed. Nova for the future. I don't know who Nova is. There we go. We'll flick through all of those anyway. Fantastic Four I recognise there, but that's about it. Not sure it's a Daredevil, but Batman-esque sort of thing. I know it won't be Batman because that's not part of the Marvel universe. So let's clear this out of the way and let's have a look at the free gift and then the build. Yes, so the build we've got obviously completed from last time. We've got that. We've got to put another piece of this together. But before that, this delivery contains another free gift, which is a lovely mug, actually. It's bigger than the normal free mugs, which I use to keep things in. Behind my workbench there's one from the GT. So yes, it's a larger variation of that, which is quite nice. That will take a little while to fill up with things. So I shall put that off to one side throughout the build and see what I'm going to use it for. But the build is what we're here for. We've got some screws, we've got some plastic pieces, we've got another metal part that we're not using immediately. What we are doing is fitting this first piece in there like so. And then this other piece goes in over there. But before we put that in there, we need a washer. Goes over that bit, and we need the screw that we're going to be using to hold it all together. Yeah, won't go on the screwdriver apparently. So this is all going to line up obviously through the different bits. That's where the screw's going to go through there, so we need to get that lined up. The trapezoid type shape fits through there, and that bracket fits into there like that, and that screw will then go through there and we'll hold it together, the end joint there. Get that tightened up through there. Now, as ever, there are 5 issues in this delivery, and I believe that is going to be the end of this finger. So it's always nice to get things completed. So that's that. That's going to be the next bit along there, I should think. So at some point we're going to be adding that in there, but not yet. We've got to put that aside for now. But we've now got a jointed tip of the middle finger. So yeah, there we have it. Another issue completed and a free gift looked at as well. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I shall see you for more very, very soon. Bye bye for now.